trimming the platinum package to accommodate the budget. Ways in which we can reduce the cost if it proves unaffordable without impacting as far as possible on sums assured. So, okay, what are some of the ways in which we can reduce the cost without impacting on the sums assured? What's the most obvious way, especially in my methodology?
Level to set.
Mode of premium payment, yeah? So that's the first thing that we probably look at, is if affordability becomes an issue, then we start using a sophisticated strategy and a logical strategy to split the trauma cover between stepped and level. And the most logical way of doing that typically would be, let's make sure the 10 times income shortfall is on level, because that's designed to move all the way out to age 65 alongside your income protection. And worst case scenario, we'll put the outstanding mortgage on stepped. Because at least then, effectively, we can do a manual premium freeze, because as the mortgage comes down, we can bring the sum assured down, and therefore instead of having the cover remain the same and the premium going like that, we can actually have the cover coming down and the premium remaining like that. Different perception from the client. If I'm in their ear on a regular basis, either with an update or with a requirement or whatever it may be, or reminding them of an appointment, whatever particular issue it could be, compare that, which is me delivering on my promise, with me not actually being proactive in any way, and the client ringing me up after 2 or 3 weeks and saying, what's going on with my cover? And me saying, oh, that's a point, I haven't really heard, oh, I'll get onto it. You know, I mean, that's why this is establishing points of differentiation. It's separating itself from the pack, yeah? So these are opportunities that you've got to take. So do you understand where I'm coming from in terms of that this is where you do really establish points of differentiation, and this is all about creating a quality experience for your clients, rather than just completing a transaction. Okay, and that's what's going to separate you from the pack.